Welcome to this sun-drenched 3-bedroom on the Upper West Side. This wonderful corner mid-floor 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers excellent light all day. It faces east onto West End Avenue with its beautiful 19th and 20th century residential buildings and sky, and south onto West 73rd Street. A huge entrance gallery connects the oversized and bright living room with the generous dining area, which creates a nearly 50 feet long expanse for entertaining. The large primary bedroom enjoys corner views to the east and south and an updated windowed bathroom. The windowed kitchen can be enlarged and features a pantry. Bedrooms 2 and 3 are light, south-facing, and they share the second bathroom. Storage is superb, for there are 8 closets with room to add more if desired. The apartment features all new windows, refinished oak floors, and is in good, mostly original condition. Schwab House is a fully serviced cooperative on the Upper West Side, one of the most desirable, vibrant, beautiful, and historic residential neighborhoods in Manhattan. It is conveniently located around the corner from Fairway, Citarella, Trader Joe's, the Beacon Theater, and the 1, 2, and 3 subway lines, and just across the street from Riverside Park with its playgrounds, bicycle paths, sports fields, and dog runs. For in addition to wonderful shopping venues and great restaurants, it is a very short distance to Lincoln Center and multiple cinemas. Schwab House features on-site management and 24-hour doormen, concierge, handyman, and garage, plus a gym, playroom, 2 luxuriously landscaped roof decks with panoramic views, a bike room, valet cleaners, lending library, and an air-conditioned modern lobby. This great home is easily shown by appointment. Contact Dean Feldman to schedule yours.